Hello friends. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to take screenshots of your laptop or PC screen. So let's jump into the video. First, I will show you on the keyboard. On your keyboard, you can see a PRTSC on F11 key or any other key. It depends on type of keyboard. First, put off the function key by pressing the FN key in your laptop. And now open the screen you want to take a screenshot and press PRTSC, print screen, key. And open Paint application on your PC and press Ctrl+V, your screenshot will paste here. Now, if you want to crop or edit your screenshot, you can easily edit it here. There is also another way to take screenshots. Click on the window key search in the search bar, Snipping Tool, and click on it. Now click on New and select the area you want to take a screenshot. And click on the Save option and select the folder you want to save it. As you can see, it's pretty easy. So guys, that's it for this video. For more videos, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.